Welcome to Château De'Kush, the sanctuary of freedom, rooted deeply in Mother Africa's heart. We know true healing because we have risen from the ashes of true pain. We're the top USA female minority-owned certified producers of Liberta, French-inspired, hemp-infused, alcohol-free wines with stress-relieving, mood-enhancing effects. True liberation you can feel. Exclusively using exotic African landrace cannabis from our vast 12,000-acre family farms in South Africa, we salute our African ancestors. From the Kingdom of Kush and Queens of Nubia to the Khoisan and Zulu tribes, supporting women, children, and vulnerable communities. Our diverse USA team blends premium Napa Valley grapes with Africa's ancient medicinal plants from our African family farms. Committed to utmost quality, our organic products from seed to table carry trusted Fair Trade, Kosher, and Halal certifications, tested in accredited labs. Would you like to be a part of making history? Join our journey and experience the first release of Château De'Kush Liberta Reserve. Pre-sales are on now. Learn more at chateaudekush.com.